what is going on? What is going on here? I am going to take off here fairly fast, and I want to test the Parrot battery. I'm going to pull up the telemetry guide here. Hopefully this doesn't lag out my phone too bad. It looks like it might. We'll see. I got a ton of stuff on this device. Let's pan the camera down, pan it up. We're good to go. Lock this back in again. Alright, so as you can see, it says I'm at 99% battery. This is a true Parrot battery. I've been noticing some really funky stuff. The battery telemetry has been freezing, but my flights have been excellent, so I thought I'd try to show this to you guys on camera. And don't get me wrong, I'm probably going to speed up the footage because I have a feeling we're going to get a super good flight time, even though the battery says it's complete crap. I still find that my warnings are working exactly when they should, and the fail-safes are working when they should. So let's get this thing in the air and take off, and I'm not even going to record. I'm just going to use screen recorder so that we don't use so much processing power here. And let's have a go at this. So taking off from inside the boat. Beautiful. Good little takeoff. I wanted to test that, by the way, to see if the compass is going to have any problems with that. And alright. Seem to be doing good. I'm going to go up. I'm going to take her back. We're going to take her away from the controller ways. Do a nice little drop away. And then we're going to see how the battery just leveled to 81. This was a full battery. So let's see what happens here. As you can see, the battery telemetry once again looks like it's froze. Don't mind all the Wi-Fi. I don't even think it's Wi-Fi interference. I think it's my screen recorder doing that. It's always does it whenever my screen recorder's on. I always get the what looks like interference. So it's really strange. Just my processor moving a little bit slow on my phone. All right, so as you can see, it says we're chilling at 81% here, right? The controller battery is at 95. The other battery is just hanging out at 81%. It doesn't work. It's confused. It has no idea what's going on here. So let's take her for a rip, anyways. We'll punch her around the neighborhood a bit here. You and me, drone, we're gonna have a talk here later. You were acting really wonky. Really wonky. I don't know what your deal was today, but you were not having a good day. I'm thinking that still might be screen recorder related, guys. Whenever I try to run the screen recorder, it just makes my phone extremely hot. That, and I live in Florida where it's already hot. So, 12% battery. Let's see if it's being accurate with us. We were in the air for definitely a good minute, y'all. 11%. Let's see if it force lands at 4% like it normally does. 10%. 9%. All right, low battery warnings. 9%. Which, by the way, those should have kicked on at 15%. Now it says 7%. We're going to take her all the way down to gust or bust. Let's see if she force lands at 1%. If she does, then I know the telemetry is way off. It should have force landed at 4%, which should be in like a second here. So here's 5%. 4% still hasn't force landed. If it goes all the way to 1, it's got a problem. That's a telemetry issue. 3%. Wow. Okay. So we definitely have a bit of an issue here. That's for sure. And it's just hanging out now at 3%. The question is it really in low voltage or not? 2%. We're going to ride her all the way down. I don't care if the battery pops like a zit. We're taking her all the way to the bottom. And then we're going to give her a full recharge and see if the telemetry straightens itself out. If it doesn't, I'm going to unsolder the wires and then reconnect them and see what happens. 1%. How are you still in the air at 1%? Oh, force landing at 1%. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Okay. Unbelievable. And now the drone is beeping. Low battery. Battery's good and hot. Nice. Alright. Well, guys, that was my test for the day. We had some very interesting results out here. I've never had the Parrot act so weird in its life. And that was after I put this battery back in here. But then again, I was running a screen recorder. I don't normally run, so it could have been the issue. My phone is completely packed with apps and memory is all torn up right now, so could have been the issue. But today felt like interference. At first I thought it was the screen recording I was using, but now I think that was definitely some form of interference. And it looked like it was coming from the bird's end and not the transmitter's end, so we're going to have to look into that. If you guys enjoyed this test, feel free to smash the like button. And drop a comment below. Be supportive, be amazing, be awesome. And remember, guys, flying is fun. Never stop dying. I'll see you guys on the flip. Toodaloo.